Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. He a new phone last week. Option D is the correct answer. Question 2. I him a message earlier. Option A is the correct answer. Question 3. The kids' cartoons after dinner. Option A is the correct answer. Question 4. We to the beach in summer. Option A is the correct answer. Question 5. She a beautiful voice. Option B is the correct answer. Question 6. They for the bus? Option C is the correct answer. Question 7. I already eaten. Option A is the correct answer. Question 8. The bell loudly. Option C is the correct answer. Question 9. She me every weekend. Option B is the correct answer. Question 10. He not finished the task. Option D is the correct answer. Question 11. The students reading in the library. Option B is the correct answer. Question 12. I to sleep early yesterday. Option C is the correct answer. Question 13. She very polite to everyone. Option A is the correct answer. Question 14. We finished our lunch. Option A is the correct answer. Question 15. He a letter to his friend. Option B is the correct answer.